Hello friend, I'm Saumedi back with new tutorial video regarding r.c.c. Last video I discussed about HYSD bar. So in case you did not watch this video, so go to my playlist or you find the I button, then check out from this I button. Today we'll discuss TMT parts and we'll discuss lots of things. Why this TMT part came? What do you mean by TMT bar? What is some definitely advantages? What is difference between and difference between TMT versus mild steel versus HYSD? And definitely we'll talk about which type of TMT bars are available in the markets. So these all things we'll discuss in this video. So hopefully this video may add some value to your knowledge. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. Why that TMT bar came to the market? See, in this type of steel series, first we talk about that is mild steel. That is mild steel. Then we discussed about HYSD bars. One thing you tell me, you know, mild steel has good ductility but less yield strength by yield stress, whereas HYSD has high yield strength and low ductility, as well as HYSD has good bond strength also. But for our construction, we need such a material. We need such a material who has or who have good bond strength, high yield strength, and better ductility compared to the HYSD bar. This is our requirement. That is why we make this TMT bar. This TMT bar. Why? Why? Because now we talk about what do you mean by that TMT bar. First we understand the abbreviations form of TMT. So better to erase this. So first we understand what do mean I mean to full form of this TMT, that is Thermo Mechanical Treatment. Okay. Now we talk about what do you mean by TMT bar. So basically that TMT has a two core. One core provided the strength, another core provided ductility. That is all about your TMT part. And this core, the outer portion is your hard that provide your good strength, and this lower is very soft that provide your ductility. So now if I talk about some advantages, then we have to write beta ductility, number 2 better yield strength. See, I write here thermo mechanical treatment, higher higher fire resistance, as this is have better ductility, better yield strength, so definitely earthquake resistance. Okay, and definitely fatigue resistance. So these are the beautiful advantages of TMT bar, and that is why C is so famous in our construction industry. Construction industry. Understand how I read everything with each other. Okay. Now we talk about difference. Difference with MS and HYST. See, MS has low strength, where TMT has higher strength. HYSD has lower ductility, where TMT has higher ductility. HYSD has lower fire resistance, where TMT has high fire resistance, and MS and HYSD has maybe amount of earthquake, but TMT has more earthquake resistance. These are the main difference why the construction industry choosing, or why the construction industry prefer to use TMT bars. Okay. Now we talk about the diameter of TMT bar. So basically 8 mm, 10 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm and 32 mm are available. Okay. So what is the grade of this TMT? FE4152 to FE600. These are the grade of the TMT. So here, this is all about a short video regarding TMT bar, where I discuss various points regarding TMT bar. So hope you enjoyed this video and hope you get some value from this video. So with this said, meet with another video regarding CRS bar. CRS bar. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and till then, bye bye. Take care. See you soon.